So a common mistake that some dog owners do when they're trying to get the dog to sit, and they don't even know that they're doing it. So what they do is they go, sit, and they tell the dog to sit, and they put pressure on the leash straight away. They don't give the dog a chance to sit. So if we're walking, heel, good boy, sit. So there's no pressure on that leash there. I've asked him to sit, and he sat of his own accord. If you keep saying sit and putting pressure on the lead at the same time, the dog's just going to get used to that, and he's not going to follow the verbal command.